YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself. In today's quick video about 2-year review on my VEVOR portable fridge. A few of you guys asking how it's been holding up, and it's been 2 years and about a month since I used it. So the short version is fridge is still going, even though I saw on some reviews that some of you guys had a bad luck with those, or maybe I just got super lucky and this thing is going for me. And I'm gonna show you the setup, how I use it in my van. I'm expediter, by the way, all week on the road. So this fridge is actually, I'm using it 6 days a week at least, and it's working basically, it's on, plugged in non-stop. So like I said, it's working fine for me, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like after 2 years of me using it. So that's the 12-volt plug that I'm using over here on my Ford Transit. Obviously there's no 110 over here, so that's basically it plugs in. And how I have it set, it's basically just sitting on my seat. What I did, I removed the headrest so I could hold it up, and I have it just with a strap secure this thing to the seat. One thing that failed, the only thing, is this chain that holds this thing, and I think it failed like about 3 days after I did a 1-year review, and I was mentioning about this thing that it's actually not super strong, so I kind of came up with that thing. But on my older van I have a different setup. It was sitting over here between the seats. Basically I didn't have a co-pilot seat in that previous van, so it was a different setup. Right now I have basically open the lid like that, dig out the good stuff, and close it just like that. So the thermostat over here working the same way, just like I show you on the original video. Basically, but when it reaches the 40 or go over 40, it drops to 33, I believe, or something like that. It varies a little bit, but pretty much it's staying with it, that 8-degree thingy. But anyway, like I said, it's still going, and I think I'm using it rough. So as you can see it, when it's sitting on the seat like that, it's actually, I have made a little pedestal to make it, to keep it somewhat level, but I don't think that I'm gentle with this fridge, because when you're on the road this thing is bouncing, because I mean, like, you bouncing the same thing over here, so it's not like a solid, it's a, you could say semi-soft base. But anyway, so that's what it looks like. It's still going. If you guys interested, I mean, I'm not gonna go over the specs and all of that. You can look in the previous videos. But anyway, it's been past 2 years. This thing is still going. I don't know if I'm the lucky one, or maybe a few of you guys that got a bad ones, but anyway, this thing is working for me, and I'm not doing anything special with it. Like I said, I think that I'm using this fridge as rough as you can, as rough as you can just use this thing. But anyway, it's held enough for now, and my original thought was, if this thing will survive a year, I will be happy. Well, look at that, it already survived the double in that. So anyway, thank you for watching this video, and if you will buy something like this, I'm not promoting anything, don't get me wrong. Like I said, maybe I'm just got lucky. But if you are gonna buy one of those, I hope you're gonna be just as lucky as me, or maybe even better. So thank you for watching this video, and good luck.